Welcome back to Phinys Garage. I'm Gray, and today I'm going to be swapping the hoods from the 99 Montero with the 96 Montero. Looking at the two cars, you can tell that the 96 has no peel and clear coat, while the 99 does. If we take a look at this part right here that runs along the front of the hood, you can see just here, a little bit of rust. Not too bad. A little bit of rust there. Oh, a little bit more rust there, and here's where it's pretty bad. Right there. I don't really feel like repairing it because it's not worth my time when I have a perfectly good hood right here that has zero rust on it that I can just swap over because they are the exact same hood. So we're just going to take this hood and put on that car and put that hood on this car. Oh man. Oh no! Oh man! Well, I hope that fell on the ground. No, it didn't. Okay, we got a bit of an issue. The socket fell out of the ratchet, and it fell on. Oh, I can see it. I'll get it. I'll get it. Here, I'm gonna show the camera. Oh my gosh, what are the odds of that happening? What are the? So I was ratcheting this, and the socket fell out, and it fell onto the transmission. Down there, way down there. Oh, people can't see it. Maybe you guys can see it. It's right down there somewhere. I'll get it though. It's on top of the transmission. I can see it. I'll get it. Fell down right here.
I did have one of those telescopic magnetic things, but I don't know where it's at.
Oh, okay, I got it on my finger. Super dirty hands.
Oh no.
Got it out. That's fell on top of the transmission. Disgusting, all greasy. Ew. Oh, you already put them over here. Nice.
You almost locked that one.
Yeah, I know. That's what.
Okay, let's lift.
Ow.
Just set it on the rag.
Okay. Look at the other one. That's tight.
It just kind of snug.
Yeah, I mean it tightened until it stopped. 2 turns.
Now's the gap. Look.
It drags on this side.
So it needs to go forward.
Yeah. Wait, lift it up, back up again. Lift it up. Okay, it's clipping right here, just barely, but it is clipping. And you got a huge gap on that side.
I got a huge gap on this side.
Yeah, look at that gap.
Oh, I'm talking about the side.
We have lost another socket. It is down there. Oh my gosh, you can actually see it. Wait, can you? Well, we'll see if you're able to get it. It's in a very tricky place. Very awkward place to get to. You can get to it from the side, but my arms are not long enough. Or skinny and long enough. It's right up against the firewall in this little tiny cubby. Oh, you got it! Wow.
Here, hold it. Now you hold the hood.
It doesn't have to be perfect. We just need to get it on the car.
Well, we want to pull it forward, remember, or it'll
Oh yeah.
pinch the cowling. Pull the hood hinge over if you can.
Like push it to you?
Yes. You said it was tight over there.
Yeah, it was. Hold on.
Okay, now
There we
tighten
go.
it. You got you still pushing the hood up,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Let me tighten this one down here. You want it?
Yeah.
Alright. Find out, moment of truth.
You don't care anyhow as long as it closes.
Yeah, as long as
You're good.
that's good. Okay, great. The gaps are horrible on this, but that's okay. But it doesn't matter because I'm not keeping the hood.
Yep.
I'm gonna sell this hood. So yeah, gaps are absolutely terrible, but it's protecting the engine, so that's all that matters. Now I gotta fix the fender. Jeez, that's tight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the hood and see the gap. So there's the gap. Right there. What I need to do, just see how much I need to push it in. Back, I don't think it needs to go pushed in at all. The front, maybe just a little bit. Maybe like that much. And then the middle I'll have to push in. Let me look at the gap on the other side. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. So when I pushed it in like a little bit like that. Trial and error. Let's see, let's look at this gap. It's the little things that annoy me. Okay. Let's look. So that's the gap. It's actually not a bad gap. It does need to be pushed in the middle though, because it goes like small, or it goes like medium to a little bit bigger to really tight right here. On this side, it's good the whole way. It's good all the way down. And I guess on camera you can actually see it. I think it opens up a little bit here. How tight is that gap? Not as bad. It's on this side, yeah, so I need to pull this out just a smidge. I just moved it, and now I need to push it back a little bit. But here's the thing. So if you're looking at this side, you can see the fender does not overhang. It does not hang off the car, right? There's a ledge before it reaches the fender. On this side,
Maybe the whole front end needs to shift. All the sheet metal, maybe when it got hit, it shifted everything over.
probably that might be good. Gaps are all good. From back
You're good.
to the front. From back to the front. Yeah, Ace. Everyone knows Ace on my channel. Ace the K9. What are you doing? What are you doing? You having fun out there? Oh, big old stretch. The hoods are switched. Big shout out to my dad for helping me out for this. Definitely a two-person job. It took 3 people when we changed the hood on the Mustang, switching it out with a different hood. It took a while and it was a pain in the butt to line the thing up. So I'm so glad to have him help me switch the hoods on these 2 cars so that I got the good hood and then we have the hood that has just a little bit of rust on it. I mean, anybody could fix the hood. It's not a big deal. I just don't want to deal with it because I have a perfectly good hood to switch it out with. So rather than fix it, swap it. That's the whole point of this car, is to use the parts from this car to put it on my 99 Montero. And then whatever parts I don't use, I will sell. It looks so much better with this hood. And we got the gaps lined up, so I'm so glad about that. We're just done with this. And we can move on to the next project for this car.